And hi, we're back. We've installed our new BFG conversion kit. (316-113) is one of the part numbers apparently. The other is 6910812. And this comes from, sorry if you can't see that, American Water Heater in Johnson City, Tennessee. It was a 4.5-hour installation. Here's the old thermocouple connection. Here's the manifold tube connection. Here's the pilot tube connection. Here's the igniter wire. This was the fun one. That took a 3/4 inch open end wrench, and you really have to twist it to get it off. Equally, you have to make sure these connections are all tight, but don't over tighten them. This was the tricky part, the tab on the burner assembly. There's the old orifice. There's the rest of the burner. The burner plate has been removed and been replaced in our new assembly and manifold. We've got the outer door panel back on. This is a tricky part. This is 11.5 inches. The distance from this door is 10. This distance from this manifold door to this tab on the bracket is 10.5 inches. You have 11.5 inches to work with to get this tab installed inside a bracket, which will be covered up as you do the installation. It'll be covered up by the burner plate, which is missing. It's in the water heater now, and by the manifold cover. So that was a very tricky part to do. It appears to be running now. It's very hot. I did burn myself by accident, so go ahead and laugh at that. Some things you will need. You will need a freestanding light source for working down there. You definitely want to have a soap solution, 1 to 15 parts water with detergent, dishwashing detergent, say something like that, pardon me, that, without the bleach. You don't need the bleach. We've put away all of our tools. Even though this kit appears to work, it took 4.5 hours to uninstall the old kit and install the new kit. We do not endorse that. If you can, we suggest you get a service person, a qualified service person, to do the installation. Expect to pay double the retail and shipping value of the new manifold assembly if you do purchase it from them. Purchase it from American Water Heater Company in Tennessee. Again, this is very important. You use this soap solution to check for leaks. Like here at the manifold tube and the pilot tube, you don't want any natural gas leaks. And you want to check your mains as well, which we did. We did that repeatedly. Again, we don't endorse doing this yourself. We suggest you get it done by a professional, possibly a licensed one. Do not get a shade tree mechanic to work on this. And that's about it for this thermocouple and conversion kit. for our American water heater, Proline Flame Guard. There's the number of the people you want to call. 800-999-9515. Good luck with your upgrade and good day. Thank you.